Yep, rain silo. Oh, that was near. Man. I think I'll go left. Main Street. Oh, it is a little main street. Family Tavern. Huh. Ice cream joint. Oh. Caledonia Lakeside Park. Huh. Let's give that a try. No one in back of me. Let's see what we got here in Caledonia. Oh, I didn't know they had a lake over here. And 15 miles an hour. Oh, Caledonia Lakeside Park. Can't say it's much of a lake, but I guess it fits the definition of a lake. And to think this is what would happen if I turned left. Wonder what else I can find through here. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Just go, just go. You're holding up traffic. I can't see you from there. Fucking dark ass windows.
One eternity later.
Yeah, I guess I gotta say, that's one of the things in which I don't like about some of these vehicles is that they tint their windows so damn dark you can't see if they're giving you the waving gesture at all or not. But even then, you don't want to take the chance of getting hit. Brands. So, fun fact, Tommy Brand, one of the owners of Brand's restaurant, he's actually in the state Congress. He's a representative. Still lives inside the Wyoming area. And occasionally you'll see him at his restaurant, bussing tables, serving people. Shoot, a couple of weeks ago someone caught him out in the street cleaning up litter and such that was in the neighborhood. So it wasn't his property, he cleaned it up. I was like, alright, a people person. Unlike other people out there, I don't care what side of the fence you are. If you can't remember your constituents, then if you forget how you got there in the first place, there's certainly a problem with you. Keep trying to climb up to the top without remembering why you're exactly there. You're a bad politician.
And that's all I have to say about that.
Definitely a beautiful day out. I used to deliver parts for recreational parts company. Always had to come through Middleville on my way back. So because I'm losing weight, my helmet's a little bit more loose on me now than what it used to be. But yeah, it's still got the second chin, which I can't stand. I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed making it. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next ride.